Hello, students. Welcome to today's science lesson. We're going to learn about something super cool, the water cycle. Ever wonder where rain comes from or where water goes after it rains? Let's find out. The water cycle is how water moves around our Earth, and it's a continuous process that never really stops. It's like a big circle, constantly happening all the time. There are four main parts to this cycle. First, we have evaporation, where water from oceans, lakes, and rivers turns into a gas and rises into the air. Then, this water vapor cools and undergoes condensation, which is when it turns into clouds. Next comes precipitation, which is when that moisture falls back to the ground as rain, snow, or hail. And finally, collection happens when all this water gathers in lakes, rivers, and oceans, ready to start the cycle all over again. Understanding this cycle helps us see how water sustains life on Earth and how it keeps moving in a never-ending loop. Let's talk about evaporation and condensation, two key processes in the water cycle. First, evaporation happens when the sun heats water in rivers, lakes, or oceans. As the water gets warmer, it turns into water vapor, which is a gas, and then rises into the sky. This is an essential part of moving water from the Earth's surface into the atmosphere. Next, we have condensation. When the water vapor rises higher, it cools down. As it cools, it condenses. That is, it changes back from a gas into tiny water droplets. These droplets gather together and form clouds. Both processes are interconnected and vital for weather patterns and the movement of water around our planet. Understanding evaporation and condensation helps us see how water circulates and affects our environment. Let's talk about precipitation and collection. When clouds become heavy with moisture, water is released back to Earth in the form of rain, snow, or hail. This process is what we call precipitation, and it's a crucial part of the water cycle. Once the water reaches the ground, it doesn't just stay there. It flows into rivers, lakes, or oceans. This movement is known as collection, and it's what allows the cycle to start all over again. These steps are essential because they help maintain the balance of water in our environment, supporting ecosystems and providing the fresh water we rely on every day. You did it! Congratulations on mastering the water cycle. Today, we explored how water continuously moves through different stages: evaporation, where it turns into vapor; condensation, forming clouds; precipitation, like rain or snow falling to the ground; and collection, where water gathers in bodies of water. Remember, the water you drank today might have once been part of a cloud high above us. It's amazing how all these processes connect and keep our planet's water moving. Thanks for being such great scientists today. I look forward to seeing you next time.